Okay, we'll link the tickets in the description. And it's pretty loud because it's a busy street.
We're right next to the highway.
Should we link the... It
Sure,
is
we'll
pretty
put it in the
beautiful.
description.
Yeah, it is pretty beautiful. Yeah, we'll put it in the description. So if you want to come park after that, so you guys can watch a mini park too.
Yeah, Forest Park Playscape is next. So
It's free.
excited.
So if you guys been here or been to Forest Park Place, it's a pretty awesome place. Then you guys can see. Maybe you guys didn't go to those places. But if you haven't, it's a pretty good place. Bye. We'll see you in there with our friends. Hi, we're inside and it smells so good.
Okay, let's see what the tour policies are. We have to wear hats on the tour. Do not talk. Do not run around on the tour. Okay? Only don't touch things unless you're gonna buy it, okay? You think we should buy some chocolates while we're here?
Yeah.
Or gummy bears? Oh my god. What does it say? Carl Bearsinger says, look, but don't touch. You think, is this the gummy bears and gummy worms and things that they're making? Making gummy sharks and gummy octopuses?
Can I see?
Yeah, go look at it. Alright, should we go tell them that we're here for the tour?
Chocolates are the first letter of your name. Can I get one?
Oh, cool. Yeah. Grab a slice pizza. Look at that. This is Doggy Biscuit, not for real dogs. How to build your burger. They got all sorts of stuff. Ooh, look, the St. Louis Arch.
Ooh, that's cool.
Roses on a stick.
I'm gonna make the art.
Guitars. Okay, do you want to buy it now or you want to wait until afterwards? Why don't we wait till afterwards? Put it back. And then we'll get everything after. Okay. Caramel and pretzel. That looks good.
Awesome. Mom, I also want to try to grab a slice of pizza.
That's expensive. That one's $9. We'll get you a chocolate number.
I'm gonna try.
Strawberry bark. That sounds good too. Birthday bark. These are fancy chocolates. It's $15 for one of those. Yeah. Oh, look at this one. $39 for 24 pieces of chocolate.
You wanna come? I wanna show you something. That's a
No,
good price.
thank you. That is not a good price. That is very expensive.
Come here.
That would be like if you're getting somebody that really loves chocolate and really fancy. Oh. They got all sorts of stuff here, don't they? Those are cute, huh? Little happy birthday, like wrapped presents.
Yeah, these are cute.
Super cute.
Yeah, but you just don't know what you're getting.
Get the 4th of July one.
These ones are cute.
Yeah, they're decorated
Mom.
sandwich cookies.
A person, I don't know who person in my class, but someone said, my birthday's in July, but Miss Kern said, it's actually after July.
You didn't know when their birthday was? Messenger's teddy bear.
Guys, if you are a chocolate lover, then why don't you go in the description? I'm sure everyone here. Whoa, Mom, look at those.
Yeah, that's pretty. It's like they painted on the chocolates.
Yeah.
Let's look over here. It says, oops. Does that mean they messed something up on them? Maybe they don't look as pretty as some of the, they're like broken or whatever. But They probably are still delicious. Ooh.
Mom, look at that one.
Mm-hmm.
That's probably why. Mom, these are caramel snowmen. That sounds good. Caramel.
I bet those are marshmallow probably in there.
Mm-hmm.
I don't
No,
know,
it
maybe,
says
or maybe,
caramel.
oh, caramel, you're right. Caramel, duh. I guess those are just because they're out of season, maybe? And leaves. Cute. Right?
Yeah, they'll still taste good.
I still eat it. Look at those fancy peanut butter jelly cups, babe.
Where?
Straight ahead.
It's cold in here.
It is a little cold in here.
Where?
That's what I would think Ruby would want, peanut
Where?
butter. Literally look in front of your face, Mills. Right in front of you. Read the signs.
Mom, chocolate
It says in case of emergency, break glass. That's funny.
Do you actually break the glass?
No, it's like a joke. Like if you ever run out of chocolate in case of emergency, break the glass. All right, say we'll see you later.
We'll see you later.
Okay, tell me about the tour, Millie.
So, they didn't let us videotape in there. So they pour like this chocolate on this table, and then they make it into chocolate. I think Millie didn't need to tell more about it. No.
Okay.
And then they gave us a chocolate, and you got to pick one out.
Yeah.
And we saw one of the machines, and they had to crank it by hand.
Well, that was the old one. They don't do that
was
anymore.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What else did you learn, Ruby?
So, how they made the caramel chocolate, because I didn't know this before. And they had this little thing, like it rotated, there was chocolate covered on it. It went down and the bottom first half was covered. But
The caramel was covered, yeah.
Yeah, they had this big sheet of caramel, and then they made it into like cubes.
Mm-hmm. The slicer, yep.
Yeah, and then they put it through the little, conveyor belt thing.
We even got to see the baker.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then there's this giant thing, and then another place that they did, there was this giant thing that covered the whole top over, and then they placed by hand salt on it.
Yeah, everything is done by hand,
Yeah.
right? They put all the caramels on the thing by hand. They do the swirls on top of the chocolate by hand.
In there.
It was.
But we
They-
weren't allowed to video.
What did they say they make from scratch? Do you remember? They make their marshmallow and their caramel and their chocolate all from scratch. Anything else you guys remember?
Oh, I think I remember something.
What's
I
that?
remember that it was really cool.
They put some
chocolate and it goes through the pump.
Oh yeah, there were pipes that go through, chocolate that goes through pipes and caramel that goes through the pipe to make candy bars.
Yeah, to make candy bars.
Yep, they're up in the ceiling. Were there any Oompa Loompas in there?
Yeah, we were the Oompa Loompas. No, but there was a sign that said, "Shh, be quiet, the Oompa Loompas are sleeping."
Yeah.
Like, something like that, like,
Yeah.
And use it.
Ooh.
Use it as a mat.
Harp, what did you learn on the tour?
I learned, I don't know.
Can't think of anything?
I don't know.
Okay. All right. Say bye.
Bye. We'll see you
But
on
we
the
also
next
need to wear
Yes. You got to wear cute hats.
video on YouTube.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.